Hey, it's Sal with Warmboard Radiant here in Staten Island, New York. We are at Danny's house. He is a builder for seasoned home improvements. This is his own home. He's a very smart man, obviously. Very well-respected builder, by the way. And we are actually doing a comfort system here. So he's going to be getting our own boiler, our pre-programmed controls, our thermostats, our packs, our manifolds, soup to nuts. So it's basically pre-engineered, pre-plumbed, delivered to his door. We're actually going through the custom routing setup with him today to make sure he understands what him and his guys have to do. The bury points, where to custom route, where not to. These are all detailed in our designs, but it's always good to see the guy in person and talk to him about it. And then next, he's gonna get the installation of the PEX manifolds and then the boiler. So let's see what he did and see how it went.